In this step, we're going to talk about cross-listing Canvas courses. Cross-listing is helpful for teachers who teach several sections of the same course and want to manage course data in a single course. Every official Canvas course has at least one section of students contained in it. Cross-listing allows you to move section enrollments from individual courses, we'll call these child courses, and combine them into one course, we'll call this the parent course. You can even temporarily rename your course cards to reflect which course is the parent course and which courses will be the child courses. It is important to note that cross-listing should be done while courses are unpublished, and the child course must contain at least one enrollment. To get started, you need the course ID for the course into which you are cross-listing, the parent course. The course ID is a unique course number found in the Canvas URL. To find the course ID, go to the parent course in Canvas, click the browser address bar, and find the number that displays after /courses in the URL. Highlight only the number ID from the URL and copy it by pressing Command-C on your MacBook. Next, go to the course with sections you need to cross-list into the parent course. In the course navigation menu on the left, click the Settings link, then click the Sections tab. Click the name of the section that you want to cross-list into the parent course. When you cross-list, section enrollments from the child course section will be moved into the parent course. Click the Cross-List This Section button to cross-list the section. We recommend using the course ID to ensure you are cross-listing into the correct parent course. In the Enter the Course IDs field, paste the course ID by pressing Command-V on your MacBook keyboard. Then click outside of the field or press the return key to confirm the parent course. The selected parent course displays under the selected course heading. Confirm that this is the correct course that you want to cross-list into. Click the Cross-List This Section button to cross-list the child course section into the parent course. To view the cross-listed section, navigate to the parent course in Canvas. Click the Settings link in the course navigation menu. Then click the Sections tab. Your newly cross-listed sections will display here in the parent course. Note that sections can only be in one parent course at a time. Any content or grades from the child course will not be transferred over to the parent course as part of the cross-listing. That is why you must do this before publishing the course. Repeat this process until all courses have been cross-listed. That is how you cross-list your Canvas courses. If you incorrectly cross-list a course, please enter a help desk ticket with specific information about which course needs to be de-cross-listed for it to be corrected.